NDA, the return of the NDA that is now swept back to power in Bihar as the Modi-Nitish combo led this alliance to its landslide victory. Now, the NDA managed to cross double century, 200 mark, leaving only around 30 seats for the opposition Mahagathbandhan and others. Now, the NDA secures this majestic mandate. Many are now highlighting the success of the NDA's coalition arithmetic and exactly when it comes to what made as far as pro-incumbency a factor in the return of Sushashan Babu.
मुझे लगता है कि इस एक जवाब ने कई सवालों के ऊपर पूर्ण विराम लगाने का काम किया। जो लोग मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी की स्वास्थ्य को लेकर सवाल उठाते थे, जो लोग पिछले 2 दशक के एनडीए के कार्यकाल को लेकर सवाल उठाते थे, जो लोग जंगल राज के होने ना होने या जो लोग मेरे प्रधानमंत्री की प्राथमिकता में बिहार कितना है उस पर सवाल उठाते थे, या जो लोग चिराग पासवान के बिहार फर्स्ट बिहारी फर्स्ट पे सवाल उठाते थे, एक जवाब ने एक रिजल्ट ने कई प्रश्नों के जवाब देने का काम किया।
Let's connect with Arunil on this update. Arunil, good morning. Well, posters were predicting in these exit polls that there would be a victory, but victory to such an extent because mainly the numbers were being touted to cross the 100-figure mark, but a double century, this is unprecedented.
Well, certainly unprecedented, historic for the
Arunil, we don't have a clear audio connection with you, but we're going to clear that and reconnect that line. But as Arunil has been saying, it has been unprecedented, and that was itself visible when the Prime Minister has now become a parampara, or a rather tradition. Whenever there is a BJP or a NDA victory, the Prime Minister makes it a point that in the evening he would be visiting the BJP headquarters, would be giving out an address to the people, to the Karyakartas and to the people or supporters of the BJP. But this has been a historic mandate that has been witnessed, and many of them are still questioning as to how was it even possible to have that continued governance of one individual, of one political party or one coalition. Now, for the next 5 years, as the fate has been sealed, we're looking at this unprecedented when it comes to the numbers there of a historic mandate that has now been given by the people of Bihar to NDA. So while the NDA's coalition arithmetic seemed to work wonders for them, the opposition India bloc seems to be flummoxed, because on the other hand, they completely failed in their latest test in Bihar. Even AIMIM chief Azaduddin Owaisi reached out to the opposition bloc for an alliance in Bihar, which he was rejected by the Mahagathbandhan. However, that move seems to have backfired for the Mahagathbandhan. There is a need for a lot of introspection and going back to the drawing book exactly to give out the details of what could have been the narrative that backfired, that did not resonate with the people there on ground. So let's talk about the factors here. The strike rate of the political parties that did not find themselves having a position or even a place in the opposition Mahagathbandhan. We speak of AIMIM leading in 5 seats, the strike rate having been 17, Congress party merely 6%. So there is no visibility on ground as far as Rahul Gandhi's party is concerned. VIP 0 seats. Now, what we are looking at, they were being projected as far as when it comes to the Deputy CM face is concerned. All of those announcements were being made. But what is the performance on ground? 0. Now, when we speak of the MY formula, what is the MY formula that has been talked about by the Prime Minister last evening? M stands for Mahila, Y stands for the youth, because he believes that this is now the new equation that would actually define elections and the victory of the BJP leading the NDA coalition in Bihar. So the Muslim cluster this time as well, especially when we speak of Simhanchal, there are heavyweight strongholds of the Muslim Yadav votes. The NDA has managed to make strongholds, and when it comes to in those areas, it has managed to make a dent in those areas as well. When we speak of the Yadav cluster, it is again completely coming in for the NDA side, plus 21, and completely the opposite for the Mahagathbandhan. So they are already in negatives that we are looking at. The trends that we caught up last evening around 9:30 p.m. because the final tally of all of those seats is yet to come. But when we speak to the people behind, because as far as the political parties are concerned who were finding some position that they could have in the Mahagathbandhan were rejected. That probably led to the formation of a third front. But did they dent when it comes to Mahagathbandhan and their prospects of having at least, barabari ki takkar on ground? This is what Mr. Owaisi says and is of the opinion as to why Mahagathbandhan lost in Bihar.
महागठबंधन की सोच थी कि बस MY में M पर सिर्फ उन्हीं का हक है, यानी कि माइनॉरिटीज पर सिर्फ उन्हीं का हक है। इस सोच को पूरी तरह से आज खंडित कर दिया।
नहीं, पूरी तरह से नहीं किया है, मगर आज का नतीजा हमारी इस बात को और स्ट्रांगली सोचने पर अल्पसंख्यक समाज को जरूर मजबूर किया है। और खास तौर से ये जो MY की बात करते हैं, ये अखिलेश भी करते हैं और तेजस्वी भी करते हैं, और वो ये समझते हैं कि M वोट डालेगा और Y राज करेगा। हम ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर मुसलमानों को वोटर बनना है तो फिर आप अपनी कमजोरी और अपनी शिकायत, नाइंसाफी फिर आपके कैसे लोगे? अगर आप सिटीजन विद राइट्स बनेंगे तो आपको वोट लेने वाला बनना पड़ेगा, आपको अपनी लीडरशिप बनाना पड़ेगा। और दूसरी बात यह है कि क्या सिर्फ मुस्लिम समाज की जिम्मेदारी है कि बीजेपी को रोके? और तीसरी बात यह है कि मैडम आप देख लेना, जितने इंडिया अलायंस के लीडर्स हैं इंक्लूडिंग समाजवादी पार्टी, उनमें इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो किसी और समाज को बोल सके कि इन्होंने हमको वोट नहीं दिया इसलिए हमारा ये हाल हो गया। मगर वो कल से शुरू हो जाएंगे, भारत की लैला हम हैं, हमारे नाम के गाने गाएंगे, नगमे गाएंगे, तो मुबारक हो उनको। मगर अगर वो ये समझ रहे हैं कि वोट लेंगे और मुसलमानों से कहेंगे कि हमें खव्वाली पार्टी की तरह, या फिर कभी आपने देखा कि चाय को प्लास्टिक के कप में डाला जाता है, मुसलमानों को प्लास्टिक का कप बना दिए, चाय पीकर उसको फेंकते हैं डस्टबिन में। ये नहीं हो सकता ना, हम और उसको रोकने की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Well, Niamika is connected with us. Niamika, good morning. What a day it was yesterday as we were tracking the Bihar numbers. Exit polls were already projecting NDA victory, but such an extent that the Mahagathbandhan had to face a loss. I mean, are they even in a position to accept, what the numbers have been completely going against them? Whatever were the bastions that they were holding previously, वो भी अब हाथ से चले गए।
Good morning, Amita. And as you have rightly stated, even the Mahagathbandhan is also very much surprised over the fact that this is, if we talk about Congress party in particular, then this is the poorest performance of the Congress till date in the state of Bihar, as the manner in which the Congress party was expecting, the manner in which the seat sharing formula was, being decided with the RJD. At that point in time, we have seen that how the Congress party was very much confident, because they used to say that it is this time when Rahul Gandhi had taken out a voter adhikar yatra, they have created a momentum within the youth of Bihar, and that is the only reason why they were having so much hope from the state of Bihar this time that that Mahagathbandhan will be able to form the government. But the manner in which the results have come out, that is why now the Congress party's own leaders have started giving statements that there is a need of introspection, that why such kind of performance has been given by them. And not just that, but in fact, if we talk about VIP also, there is absolutely a poor performance which is being given by the VIP. There is no seat which they have got in these elections, and that is the only reason why the Congress party's own leaders, including the MP from Sasaram, Manoj Kumar, had also stated that this was the biggest mistake which the Congress party and the Mahagathbandhan has done. The manner in which this entire seat sharing formula was being decided, the candidate selection
of the Congress party on ground now seems to be diminishing, and this seems to be exactly what the Prime Minister mentioned yesterday at the BJP headquarters, saying that there has been a lot of infighting, there has been a drift, and possibly in the coming days, maybe we could witness another divide within the Congress party. Well, that should be a concern, especially when it comes to a political party on a national front, is now looking at almost zero visibility in multiple states. Thank you very much for the moment, Niamika, for getting in. Well, that was the Bihar numbers and the projections that were earlier now is coming across to multiple areas and multiple leaders closing on to a victory for the NDA. We'll get you more back after a short break, more exclusive conversations lined up.